Did you know the FBI's most wanted terrorist stayed invisible for 18 years using nothing but a typewriter? Theodore Kaczynski, known as the Unabomber, waged war against modern technology from 1978 to 1995. He lived in a 10 by 12 foot cabin in Montana with no electricity, no running water, no phone. Every bomb was handcrafted from scavenged materials, wood from his forest, metal from junkyards. He wore gloves constantly, left no fingerprints, no electronic traces whatsoever. While the world went digital, he lived like it was 1850. The FBI knew they were hunting a brilliant academic, but his primitive methods made him a ghost. He typed his manifesto on an old manual typewriter, demanding newspapers publish it. When they did, his brother David recognized the writing style immediately. That phone call led agents to a cabin filled with bomb-making journals and detailed plans. The man who terrorized America for nearly 2 decades was caught because of handwritten words. His low-tech approach had made him nearly impossible to track in the digital age.